Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Okay, today is a quiz session, so let's start. The meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha is?
The opening.
Surah Fatiha was revealed in?
Makkah.
What we learn from Surah Al-Fatiha?
We must believe and praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ask Him only for help us remain on the right path.
The ayat where we ask to Allah to guide us to the straight path is?
Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim.
What is the other name of Surah Al-Fatiha?
Alham means the phrase. As-salah means the prayer. Ummul Quran, the mother of Quran. Ash-shifa, the cure. Sab'ul Masani, 7 repeated ayat.
What is the meaning of Surah Al-Baqarah?
The cow.
How many ayat in Surah Al-Baqarah?
286 ayat.
In which surah Ayat al-Kursi is present in the Quran?
Surah Al-Baqarah. It is 255 ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah.
What are the last two ayat of Surah Baqarah called?
Amana Rasulu, ayat 285 and 286. These two ayat are for protection, guidance and blessings.
Surah Al-Baqarah was revealed in?
Medina,
What is the meaning of Surah Al-Imran?
the family of Imran.
Who was Imran in Surah Al-Imran?
Imran is the name of the father of Maryam alayhi salam.
Which battle mentioned in Surah Al-Imran?
The battle of Uhud.
What is the meaning of Nisa in Surah Nisa?
The woman.
What Allah has mentioned in Surah Nisa?
Allah has mentioned the woman's rights in the society, rule of the woman and guidance on social responsibility and other matters are mentioned in this surah. A way of life, a way of